Is it possible to grow hair in bald spots? A study that involved 9 people who received a 4-minute scalp massage every day for 24 weeks found that they had thicker hair at the end of the study than at the start. So you want to know what an effective scalp massage looks like. That and more hair loss remedies are coming up in today's video. Fasten your seat belts. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. I am Parmita Katkar, an image coach and a face yoga coach. I help women look, feel and act like the best version of themselves. If this sounds like a party you want to join, then welcome to Blush with me. There are so many reasons you could be experiencing hair loss. Your age, your hormones, stress, thyroid, iron deficiency, autoimmunity, and clogged hair follicles. Today I will talk about some of the most common reasons that most people are unaware of and remedies that would be applicable to most people out there. I'll be transparent that not everything that I mention here is something that I may have tried. Some of today's remedies I have tried, but some of them have been very promising that I have found others raving about during my research. For instance, let's talk about clogged hair follicles first. This is one of the most common problems and yet most neglected. Hair loss happens due to clogged hair follicles. Scalp buildup can cause hair loss if left untreated, and then dead skin, oil, and sweat clog your hair follicles. When bacteria and sebum get trapped in the follicles of your skin, it can lead to thinning. If the hair follicles are clogged, it can actually stop the hair follicle from coming to the surface. This prevents your follicle from growing and cycling like it should. So first thing you need to do is unclog those pores. Take a little mix of apple cider vinegar with a little bit of water and spread it on your scalp to unclog those pores. Also massage your scalp with firm fingers. Firm fingers in circular motion and stimulate your head to increase blood supply to the hair follicle. You can also use a scalp exfoliator like this one from Better Not Younger. It really helps to clean the scalp and tighten the pores. Make sure you click up here to watch a video where I have talked about different kinds of scalp massage techniques. Or the other thing to try is to go with ginger juice or ginger extract. Who knew? It stimulates your scalp and your hair growth. Ginger increases circulation to your scalp, which is essential for stimulating hair growth. The abundance of vitamins and minerals also strengthen your hair strands and combat hair loss. It repairs damaged hair. The vitamin, zinc, and phosphorus in ginger help repair split ends and bring back hair's health, strength, and shine from coloring and excessive heating. Have I tried this treatment yet? No, this is the first time I'm trying it myself. As a mask treatment, apply a generous amount to clean, dry hair and scalp and leave in overnight, or at least for 20 minutes. Then rinse or wash it out gently with any regular shampoo. I am big on home remedies and things I can do from home instead of going to a spa or salon. But it's even better when you have something as simple as just one ingredient that can help transform your beauty and confidence. I've used products from Better Not Younger that have ginger in them and I love them. But ginger juice as a remedy for hair is pretty new to me. I am going to try to take better care of my hair in this year ahead. If you do try any of the remedies from today's video, then please take your before and after pictures with at least 2 months gap and share them with me either via my Instagram DM or email them to me. My email ID is in the description below. And let me know if you are with me if you too have struggled with hair loss. Women focus on skin from an early age, but hair becomes focused only when you start noticing hair fall or excessive dryness. Have you noticed some people when you see them from behind and just by seeing their hair, you can tell how old they could be because aging hair can also make you look older than you are. Here comes a fun fact as a face yoga coach. A firm and tight scalp helps your forehead stay lifted and firm for much longer so you don't notice those horizontal wrinkles. I tell a lot of my clients in one-on-one face yoga sessions that ignoring your scalp leads to sagging and weak scalp skin. And that sagging skin has no place to go but to come down on your forehead, which adds more wrinkles to your foreheads that makes your face also look older. If this makes sense and you like this video already, then hit that like button and get ready for the scalp massage that I talked about earlier, and how it can not only regrow hair but also help you beat the effects of stress. So let's talk about stress. Rising stress levels can negatively impact your whole body in a number of ways, and it can also cause hair loss. You will be surprised to learn that if there is some shock to your system, anything that causes stress, as many as 70% of the scalp hairs are then shed in large numbers. And do you know when does that happen? About 2 to 3 months after the shock. So if you are suddenly experiencing hair loss now, it may be due to something that shocked your system, or you went through a stressful phase 2 to 3 months earlier. Thinning or shedding of hair happens after hair follicles are prematurely pushed into the resting phase when the hair isn't actively growing. This usually happens due to chronic stress, a stressful event, or poor diet. But the next massage technique, if done regularly for about 1 to 3 minutes every day, can prevent hair loss. So today I'm going to tell you about scalp tapping. A couple of weeks ago in this video, I had talked about eye tapping, the right way of doing it and its benefits to boost collagen around your eyes. And today I'm going to talk about scalp tapping. Okay, so go straight in line with your ears. And this is the point. Let your middle fingers meet right here at the center of your scalp. This is exactly where you tap with all your 4 fingers, anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes. Make sure you don't rub the scalp surface, not like this. This is not the kind of massage you do, because you may not have hair in some spots now, but as the hair starts growing, rubbing your scalp surface may pull out those fine new hair that starts to grow. Scalp massage increases hair thickness by stretching the cells of hair follicles. This in turn stimulates the follicles to produce thicker hair. Scalp massage may also dilate blood vessels beneath the skin, which again encourages hair growth. Notice where your scalp is. It is farthest away from your heart, and this makes it difficult to have proper blood circulation, especially in this part. And that again causes several scalp and hair issues, especially the balding in this area. Let's be clear. Scalp massages do very little when it comes to curing your hair loss, but they do show promise with promoting hair growth. This is why I'm starting something new. This is Eye Restore Hair Growth System. I'm just starting out with it, so consider this my introductory video. Using this technology, this system is going to be a long-term commitment. 25 minutes of wearing Eye Restore Dome like this. Very simple, right? Every other day for a minimum 16 weeks can regrow my hair. But everywhere on YouTube where I have seen people reviewing it, they say they start seeing big changes anywhere between 6 to 8 months or even around 1 year. I'm willing to go with it. Take a look at this picture. This used to be my hair. Thick, voluminous, wavy hair, and this is my mother's hair, long, all the way up to her knees. I was always inspired to grow my hair long, but after my second son's birth, hormones and stress took over, and my hair has not been the same. When I started filming my YouTube videos around 2016, I used to get a lot of nasty comments about visible balding spots. I have been using some products from Better Not Younger that did help me get my hair strength back. It did control my hair loss and improve the quality of my hair. But I really don't know if I'll get the kind of hair that I had 10 years ago. Eye Restore may seem like a long-term commitment, but hey, I don't have to do anything. All I need to do is just wear this on my head and press the power to turn on the device. I saw a YouTube channel called 50 Plus Beauty, and I absolutely loved her review that got me excited to get Eye Restore for myself and for my brother because he's losing hair too. In that video, she has shown her pictures over the last 1 year to show how her bald spots around here have filled in. If over 50 she can see results, then I clearly have hope. So what is the magic behind this Eye Restore Hair Growth System dome or helmet? Let's stick with the dome. Ta-da! So this has 282 medical grade lasers and LEDs, both lasers and LEDs, Together, they provide correct light output and power level to stimulate your hair follicles. LEDs are NASA-backed technology that penetrate deep enough and offer broad coverage. By broad coverage, I mean your hair follicle sits less than half an inch below your skin surface, and that is where the LEDs penetrate up to. So they increase the cycle of your hair growth, basically speeds up your hair growth. It reverses hair thinning process by shortening the time in the resting phase. There is a testosterone byproduct that reduces your hair's ability to grow, leading to balding and thinning. Did you know that? But when I was talking to the iRestore team to help me understand in simple terms about how it works, they said low-level light therapy, which is what iRestore has, it's just like watering plants. Hair is either in the process of growing, resting, or falling out. The light energy acts like water and nutrients that are absorbed by your hair follicles to keep your hair in the growing phase. Your hair cells start pumping up the hair more. There are so many reasons why you should make the decision to start iRestore along with me so we can track our hair growth together. Reason number one, a hair salon visit can easily cost hundreds of dollars, and apart from relaxing me or moisturizing my hair, it barely does anything to my hair growth. But when using iRestore, I don't have to make any salon appointments. Once you purchase the device, which is hands-free, you can multitask. You could be cooking, working on laptop, or watching TV while getting your treatments in. I've seen some handheld devices for hair growth, and I know that I will never be able to commit to anything like that. Hands-free means a lot. Other reason is you and your husband or any other adult member of your family can use the same device. And if you use my promo code PARMITA, you can save hundreds of dollars on iRestore. I said hundreds. This is a special offer just for my Blush With Me community. If you buy it from anywhere else without the promo code, you may not get this amazing offer. And I am not just talking about $50, $100. Click the link in my description below and you can use my promo code to find that out for yourself. You need another reason why you should get iRestore? Then they offer you 12 months money-back guarantee. That means you can use it for almost a year, and if you're not happy, if you don't see results, they will give your money back. Now that is some confidence in the product. Products like these make very sensible and thoughtful gifts for people you know who are struggling with the loss of confidence that comes along with the loss of hair. But the least you can do is to share my video with all your friends who will find all the tips and home remedies that I have shared in today's video useful. Alright, so this is a picture of my hair and my scalp. Now, I'm sure some of you will join me in this journey because you have written to me about the struggle with hair loss and not being able to regrow your hair that you've lost. They have also sent me their hair gummy vitamins and extra strength hair growth formula. I've actually heard really good things about this one, so I am excited to try this. Plus, they have sent me their hair shampoo, conditioner for thin hair, and their hair serum. I personally absolutely love my Better Not Younger shampoo and conditioner and their scalp serum, but I'm still willing to give this whole set a shot. But I will definitely continue with the advanced laser hair growth technology from iRestore. I am very excited to start my new year. If you're on Instagram, then do follow me and DM me your before photos and share your hair loss concerns in the comments below. And like I said earlier, you can also email me your pictures. I will be making up a follow-up video maybe 3 to 4 months from now, or maybe even 6 months from now once I start experiencing a change in my hair. So subscribe and stick around, and I hope you enjoyed learning to restore your hair confidence from today's video. Before you go, do watch some of the recommended videos and playlists that I have mentioned in the description below. All my lip rejuvenation, eye exercises, and face symmetry packages are also linked below, so do check out all of that and keep up with the scalp tapping every day and continue to blush with me.